To set up or remove a privacy password in Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Navigate down until we find the more security and privacy settings, and then on the top you can find privacy password. If it says off, that means you will need to perform a setup, and then you can choose which password you want to use. In this case, let's go for a pattern like this, and then we can confirm it. We can set up the recovery email or a question. Let's go for the question in this case. And then it's done. Our privacy password is set. If you want to remove it, then you will need to turn off password below right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.